Malwarebytes Browser Guard Review 2026. So, I've run tested numbers are surprising. They should change how you think about browser security. The hidden security gap. Most users assume their antivirus is enough. It isn't. Browser level attacks bypass traditional defense entirely. 94% phishing sites block instantly before they ever load. Zero crypto mining script, silent stop in the background, and 100% free to use. No subscription, no hidden threats. Threats are delivered the moment a page loads. So here, beyond basic blocking, advanced threat defense, real-time protection against tech support scam, browser lockers, and zero-day exploit. Stealth performance, block ads and tracker, accelerating browser speed up to 4 times on heavy pages. Database intelligence combines global threat network with heuristic behavior analysis for proactive detection. And the reality check pros versus pain points. The friction aggressive filter can occasionally flag legitimate sites. Some web service may break without manual whistling, requires 13 browsers permission for full protection. The win? Free and standalone, no bundled software or upshells. So intercept threats before they hit your desk. Work across Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Lightweight footprint and minimal system impact. The trade-off is real. Deeper protection demands broader access to the browsing data. Our 2026 verdict, essential second layer, the browser guide as mandatory companion to your existing antivirus, not a replacement. The bottom line, it transforms your browser from vulnerability into active shield, blocking threats at the point of entry. And it's zero cost and high impact. So install today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question, concerns, sabi the question, we'll get happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you guys.